Hi, this is Tony here with another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to calibrate your windows. So when you walk away, if you have an automatic close, when it locks, right, it doesn't close it. So if you have your windows open a little bit, and if you walk away, by default, if you have it selected in your control, it will close automatically all the windows and doors, right? So if it's not working, you need to recalibrate your windows. So if you are using up and down, if you try to open it and close it, so there is a open, right? To open, you press it down and a click that will automatically roll it down. And to close it, if you press it up and a click, that will automatically rolls it up, right? So if you see that not working, you have to hold it down. Even the click doesn't work. If you have to hold it down to close all the way, that means you need to recalibrate your windows. So let's get going and see how it works. So the power cycle is these two buttons. So if you press and hold these two buttons, it will reset the car, but the window doesn't go up automatically, right? The way, when I say automatically, say if you press it up, it will close it. If you press it one more time, it's like a click, the window should go up and down automatically, right? In here, let me show you this one. I'm pressing it down. See, I'm not holding it. See, the window is going automatically. Another one is if I press up and hold it, click it, it closes automatically without me holding it. So sometimes that won't work, right? You have to hold it in order to do that. So the way you recalibrate your windows is first, bring it all the way down, then press it all the way up, right, till it closes. Once it's closed, then release it, then bring it all the way down. So you need to repeat this at least 2 or 3 times. Once you repeat at least 2 or 3 times, it does recalibrate. Once that is done, then you should work automatically. Right now I just recalibrated it, that's why mine is working, but that's how you recalibrate your windows. Hope this helps. Make sure subscribe, share the videos. Thank you.